Most people believe you need a job offer before moving to Germany, and that belief alone is quietly killing thousands of opportunities every single year. Because what if I told you there's a legal way to live in Germany, search for a job, attend interviews, and actually get hired without having a job offer in advance? Sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly what Kevin Brooks thought. Kevin, a mechanical engineer from Ohio, had been dreaming about working in Germany for years. The technology, the lifestyle, the career growth. Everything felt perfect. But there was one problem. Every job he applied to from the US got ignored. No responses. No interviews. Just silence. Weeks turned into months. Frustration turned into doubt. And eventually, he almost gave up. Until he discovered something that most people completely overlook. The Germany job seeker visa. And what happened next? Changed his life forever. But here's the problem. Most people get this completely wrong. They either don't understand the requirements, or they treat it like a tourist trip. And that's exactly why they fail. So in this video, you're going to learn the Germany job seeker visa in 2026. Step by step, in a way that actually works. No confusion. No outdated advice. Just a clear roadmap at I. Because, by the end of this, you won't just understand the process. You'll know how to win. Let's start with the basics. What is the Germany job seeker visa? In simple terms, it's a long-term visa that allows you to stay in Germany for up to 6 months while you search for a job. No job offer required. Let that sink in. You can be physically present in Germany. Apply for jobs locally. Attend interviews in person. And dramatically increase your chances of getting hired. But here's the surprising truth. This visa is not easy. And this is where it gets dangerous. Because many people assume it's just about applying and showing up. It's not. Germany has strict requirements. And if you don't meet them, your application will be rejected. So let's break it down. To qualify for the Germany job seeker visa in 2026, you need to meet key criteria. First, you must have a recognized degree, usually a bachelor's or master's, and it must be relevant to the German job market. But here's the twist. Not all degrees are accepted automatically. Your degree must be recognized in Germany. This is where many people fail without even realizing it. Second, you need relevant work experience. Typically at least a few years in your field. Germany is not looking for beginners here. They want skilled professionals. Third, you must prove you have enough money to support yourself. And this is critical. Germany does not want you struggling financially. So you'll need to show around 1,000 to 1,200 euros per month, usually through a blocked account. This is where many applicants underestimate the financial requirement. Fourth, you need health insurance. Valid for your entire stay. No exceptions. Now at this point, you might be thinking, this sounds manageable. And it is. But here's the problem. Meeting the requirements is only the beginning. Winning the visa. That's about strategy. Let's go back to Kevin. When he first applied, he thought he had everything. Degree. Experience. Evings. But he made one critical mistake. He treated the application like a formality. Weak motivation letter. No clear plan. No job search strategy. And guess what happened? Rejection. That moment. It hit hard. Because it wasn't about his qualifications. It was about how he presented himself. And this is where everything changed. He rebuilt his application. Stronger documents. Clear plan. Targeted approach. And the second time, he got approved. This is the difference between average and successful applicants. Now let's walk through the exact step-by-step process. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Confirm your degree is recognized. Understand your financial requirements. Make sure your experience aligns with your field. This step alone can save you months of wasted time. Step 2. Prepare your documents. Passport. Degree certificates. proof of experience, bank statements, or blocked account, health insurance. But here's the key insight. Your documents must tell a story of someone who is ready, capable, and serious. Step 3. Write a strong motivation letter. This is where most people fail, because they treat it like a formality. But here's the truth. This letter can make or break your application. Explain why Germany. Explain your career goals. Explain your job search plan. Make it clear. Make it convincing. Step 4. Apply at the German embassy or consulate. Submit your application. Attend your visa interview. And here's where it gets emotional. Because this is where doubt creeps in. What if they reject me? What if I missed something? But here's the reality. If you've prepared properly, you're already ahead of most applicants. Now let's talk about what happens after you arrive in Germany. Because this is where everything becomes real. You now have 6 months. 6 months to change your life. And here's the truth most people don't tell you. This is not a vacation. This is a mission. And this is where many people fail. They arrive excited, but without a plan. They apply randomly. Wait. Hope. And slowly run out of time. But Kevin did something different. He treated his job search like a full-time job. Every day. Networking. Applying. Improving his resume. Learning basic German. And here's the result. After 3 months, he landed interviews. After 4 months, he got an offer. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. Once you get a job, you can convert your job seeker visa into a work permit, which means you can stay in Germany long-term, build your career, and eventually, even apply for permanent residence. Now think about that. You started with no job, no sponsor, just a plan. And now, you're building a life in Germany. That's the opportunity here. But here's the problem. It only works if you use it correctly. So let's talk strategy. Because this is where everything changes. First, target the right industries. Germany has strong demand in engineering, healthcare, and skilled trades. If your skills match these areas, your chances increase significantly. Second, adapt your CV. German resumes are structured differently. Clear, precise, professional, no fluff. This small change can massively improve your results. Third, learn basic German. Even if your job is in English. This is huge. Because it shows effort, respect, and commitment. And employers notice that. Now here's something most people don't expect. Rejection. Lots of it. And this is where it gets emotional. Doubt. Fear. Frustration. But here's the truth. Rejection is part of the process. Kevin faced it too. Dozens of rejections. But he kept going. And that persistence. That's what changed everything. Now let's address the biggest fear. What if I don't find a job? This is real. And you need to prepare for it. Because if your visa expires, you must leave Germany. No exceptions. This is why planning is critical. Have savings. Have backup plans. Stay focused. Because this is not just a dream. It's a calculated move. Now let's zoom out. Why Germany? Why is this opportunity worth it? Strong economy. High demand for skilled workers. Affordable education system. Pathway to permanent residence. When you combine all of this, Germany becomes one of the most powerful career moves you can make. But here's the final insight. This visa is not magic. It's a tool. And tools only work if you use them correctly. Some people will apply, do the bare minimum, and fail. Others will prepare, execute, and succeed. The difference? Mindset, strategy, action. So now, Imagine this. You're landing in Berlin, or Munich, or Frankfurt. New country, new opportunities. You're nervous, but confident. Because you understand something most people don't. You understand the system. You have a plan. And that changes everything. Most people will watch this, feel motivated, and do nothing. But you're different. You're thinking, planning, taking action. And that's what separates you. So, take the first step. Check your eligibility. Prepare your documents. Build your strategy. Because the opportunity is real. But it won't wait forever. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe. Because the next video might be the exact roadmap you need to turn this opportunity into reality. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.